searching about a franchise and I found this good opportunity on opening Janji Jiwa Coffee, but I've been trying to figure out what to consider when I'm opening up a franchise. I get an idea. What to consider?
Did you know that there is law number 28 of 2014 concerning copyrights? A copyright is a form of intellectual property, gives the creator of an original work exclusive rights to it, usually for a limited time. Copyright may apply to a wide range of creative, intellectual, or artistic forms or works. Copyright in law number 28 of 2014 concerning copyright is the exclusive right of the creator, which arises automatically based on the declarative principle after a work has been realized in tangible form without reducing restrictions in accordance with statutory provisions. Some samples of protected works include books, pamphlets, typographical papers published, and all other written works. Works of art in all forms such as paintings, drawings, carvings, calligraphy, sculpture, or collage. Photography works, portrait, cinematographic works, and computer program. You may want to learn about this law before starting your franchise program to ensure you don't get caught in some of the copyright cases. Some sample of cases that arise are photography, software piracy, internet site design and content, program copyright, t-shirt design copyright, and counterfeiting. Make sure when you run your franchise or any business, you understand the content of Law 28 2014 concerning copyrights.
Counterfeiting and piracy impact to every product category. Today, counterfeiters not just produce electronics, auto parts, but also producing fake food and beverage. Millions of fake products are being produced and shipped around the world to the developing and developed market. No legitimate business and country is immune to the impact of counterfeiting and piracy. No single actor can fight this alone. This is why International Chamber and Commerce (ICC) created business action to stop counterfeiting and piracy, or BASCAP. Indonesia also have the same organization called Masyarakat Indonesia Anti Pemalsuan (MIAP). Both BASCAP and MIAP have mission to reduce the negative impacts and to combat counterfeiting cases in cooperation with the authorities, as well as to raise public awareness, consumer protection through socialization and education activities. Intellectual property rights are an essential part of all franchise agreements and contain license in relation to the trademark, copyright, patent, and trade secret. Therefore, before start franchise business relationship, we need to ensure that all relevant intellectual property associated with the business is adequately protected. A significant point to remember is that you should check the IP clause of the franchising agreement and disclosure document thoroughly before you sign anything. You should look at the agreement to ensure you understand your obligation and those relating directly to the IP you are licensing from the franchisor.
Trademark. What is trademark? Trademark is a type of intellectual property consisting of a recognizable sign, design, or expression which identifies products or services of a particular source from those of others. So, trademark identifies the brand owner of a particular product or service. So, there's a classic examples of trademark. McDonald's Golden Arch. Whoever sees the sign of Golden Arches will recognize there's a McDonald's store. There's one way to remember the difference between those two is that all trademarks are brand, but not all brands are trademarks.
Hey guys, now we're gonna talk about this PVP. This Plant Variety Protection is law of Indonesia is number 29 in 2000s. So basically it's specific protection. It's for plants and crops by plant breeders through the agricultural activities. And if we want to process this PVP, we have to go through minister, not to Haki. And then it's one of the most things if we running some businesses and it's involved the plants and the crops. And absolutely, if you want to open up the franchise, so we're gonna want to open up franchise in Janji Jiwa, is gonna be our focus to how we know that crops, I mean the beans, is protected by the country. So next I will pass this paper and talk about the other important things that is trademark with. I'm gonna pass this one.
It's about trade secret. What is trade secret? Trade secret is any practice or process of a company that is generally not known outside of the company. Information considered trade secret gives the company an economic advantage over its competitors, and is often a product of internal research and development. The secret must intrinsically have economic value, and the trade secrets must contain information. Trade secrets are part of company IP, which is intellectual property. Unlike patent, trade secret is not publicly known. So
a patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, which is a product or a process that provides a new way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to a problem. According to Undang-Undang Nomor 13 Tahun 2016, patent comprises of three things. An invention that must be of practical use, must show some new characteristic in its technical field, and must show an inventive step that could not be deduced by a person. Patents can be obtained for any area of technology from paper clips to computers. So in this case, it is not necessary to have a patent in process when creating a franchise system. Anytime a franchise business has something that is unique, whether patented or not, it makes the brand more valuable.
Whoa, those are really useful information about franchise, guys. Thank you. Now I got copyright cases. I have 3 copyright cases related to franchise. The first one is Supermac in Ireland was being sued by McDonald's for using the word Mac. The second one, CFC in Indonesia, was being sued by a blogger for using their photo without any permission. And the third one, Vista, a karaoke company here in Indonesia, was being sued by a music label called Naga Suara for using their song without paying royalty. So now I got all the information I need about opening a franchise. I am sure that I can open Janji Jiwa Coffee now. So, thank you.